crazy cash!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your host Shades. Let's talk about Riot stock sitting at 20.67 as of this video. It is sitting at the bottom of the range here on the left hand side. I do have the 5-minute time frame that I use for signals. We got a signal here, MACD crossover. You buy on the signal, it runs up, you take profit. In this case, I'm holding to see if we go a little further back to 21.50, 22. We'll see. I think this is greatly undervalued after that huge deal with Anthropic. Sitting at the bottom of the range yet again. Classic buy low, sell high. Can't screw this up. If you're a swing trader, you buy right now in the 20s, sell at 30 plus. If you're a flipper, you buy, flip, rinse and repeat. Just keep on flipping. Flippers market, as I've been saying, things go up, immediately take profit and get the hell out. That's another way to go about it, and I wouldn't blame you for doing that because it's not the kind of market really we're not in a bull run. I mean, literally, it's stuck sideways in a box. Like, it's not doing much of anything. That's what that means. It's doing nothing. It's just sitting there in a box. So until we go into a bull run, which is expected around midterms, we'll see if that actually happens. In the meantime, I say accumulate and buy and hold. I don't see why not. After that Anthropic deal, I think these AI infrastructure plays like APLD and Riot are going to go insane in the bull run. In the bull run, I think they're going to go to 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. It's going to be crazy, guys. I don't know about CLSK. I'd have to do my research on the other Bitcoin miners that have been pivoting into AI infrastructure. But the Anthropic deal here just makes this completely and utterly undervalued. Let me look at the price targets. I'm pretty sure there was a lot of price target raises. Yeah, right? Wow. Somebody just raised it today to 43 bucks, 43, 43, 35, 32. So even analysts believe there's still about 50% upside or more on this stock. So if this thing comes down to like anywhere under 20, this is just a buy. Like, it's just buy, please, and accumulate. Stop trying to time the top. Stop trying to time the bottom. Right? Stop trying to be perfect. Just buy and accumulate because you know it's at a massive discount from that $30 high. Way too many people, they just want to buy right now and tomorrow it goes to the moon. So Riot stock here, it's a no-brainer. It really is. Stick with what's established and what's getting all these big contracts, right? Anyway, iStock is another infrastructure play, but it doesn't have, is it working with AMD? Is it working with anything? What is it doing? It's not really working with it. Did it get the Anthropic deal? No. Focus on what isn't speculative anymore, what is already performing, and you're going to be a winner long term. It's just really hard to lose when you buy good businesses that are established or are establishing really good clients or partnerships, collaborations, whatever terminology you want to use, with companies like AMD, with companies like Anthropic. So this was already a buy. Even before the AI infrastructure pivot, this was a buy. Even before that. Now even more so. So I say let it come down. It is close to the purple line. The purple line is around 18.53, so it can still come down. But the fact that we're so close to this purple line, and we know this stock is very volatile. It is volatile. It can go up and down a few dollars at a time, and then just as quickly drop. Same thing with APLD. So if it comes down, it comes down. It doesn't matter, right? We've been there, done that. Those of you who have experience, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you're not always going to buy and be immediately in the green. That's just ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't know what. You should always buy and assume, hey, I'm going to be in the red, and that's okay. You know, I'm buying a good business. That's why you do your research. That's why you look into the revenues, the financials, all that, the earnings, and if it's doing a good job, if it's growing its revenues, it's got all these contracts. You shouldn't be scared if it comes down. So Riot stock here, absolutely a no-brainer. Sell targets of 30 to 40 in my opinion. I think in the bull run it can go to 70 to 100. I know that sounds crazy, but I think it's grossly being underestimated just how much power we're going to need for everything that's going to be in place in the future, right? From robotics to AI generation and so much more. Remember, it's the younger people that are going to be around, right? People like me, people that are Gen Z and younger, who are going to be around, and Gen X is going to be long gone. And they're going to cater to us at the end of the day. It doesn't matter if there's people saying, "Oh, AI it's never going to work." There's never going to be robots anywhere, everywhere. It's not going to be like Star Wars, right? Where there's just ships flying and robots everywhere. And no, I think what was once fantasy is now becoming reality. Slowly, but it's becoming reality. And if you don't believe there's going to be, right, we're going to go to space and there's going to be space wars, right? It's going to be crazy. Space Wars 1. I don't know. China versus US. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen there? That'll be interesting. It sounds crazy when I say it, but man, oh man, does history like to repeat? And so does the stock market. So there you go. That's what I believe. I believe history repeats, and we will see this stock at 30 plus. That is it for the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, this format, and me looking into the camera and talking about Riot stock. I don't see why anyone would be crying right now. Like, it's insane when I read the comments and they're like, "Oh no, it's over. It didn't go to the moon." And I'm like, dude, you just want things to go to the moon right now? What? No, it takes time. Total annihilation of common stockholders. A lot of people saying buying more, stay calm and buy more. Bad feeling will crash at open again, right? Like it just, there's a lot of bullishness and also a lot of negativity. And I'm like, dude, when is it, if it crashes, how is that a bad thing? That you hate discounts? Insanity, guys, right? Be rational. Stop being stupid. Some of you can be pretty stupid at times, even though you're smart. Don't let the market make you stupid like Chuck or Jeff, right? Be rational. Look at the business and go, wow, it's doing great. Getting all these contracts. Yes. I'm going to continue to buy. I don't care what these comments are saying on Twitter. I don't care what these comments are saying on Moomoo. You should not give a damn what these other people think. You should only care what the company is telling you and what the bottom line is.